seen tons of projects out there this year 2022, but today I present to you one of my best projects I have seen so far, and that is what you see on your screen: baked beans. Somebody may ask, baked beans, what does it mean? Like, what are we really baking? So if you want to know the in-depth and everything, make sure you watch this video to the end, and you're absolutely going to exhaust everything, every information that you want to know. You actually get to know on baked beans. Now, why is it that I'm saying that it is my best project? Because you can actually make 18% of your investment every day, which means that in less than 2 weeks you can make your investment back. Let's say you invested 1 BNB. In less than 2 weeks you can make your investment, your 1 BNB, back. Isn't that amazing? Now, let's learn a little bit history about baked beans. um baked beans was launched November 6th last year, and I think at that time it wasn't so hyped than now. So right now there are a lot of people on this platform, over 11,000 people. A lot, seriously. When you go to their Twitter page and you go to their Telegram page, so when you go down here, you'll see this is their BSC scan and their Telegram page and their Twitter page. So when we press here, it will send us straight to let's see, let's use Chrome to go to their BSC scan. Their contract is actually registered on BSC scan at the moment. So that is it. You see, this is their contract address and everything. Okay, this shows how legit this particular app is. Okay. Now from here you can go to their Telegram channel too. So let's go to their Telegram channel, and I am not lying to you. Right now as I talk, they have about 794 members with 2,112 people online. And listen, all these people, they are happy to be here. About tons of messages, people celebrating day in and day out, because this is actually an opportunity, seriously, and people are really making good money out of this project. Now let's go to their Twitter page. Oh shit, I have to input my password. So let's go to their Twitter page, and on their Twitter page, then you press Twitter. It will lead you straight to their Twitter page. So baked beans miners club. So okay, let me follow them, and now they are following 229, and they are having 4,912 followers on Twitter. You see, it is not easy. People are really running into baked beans, because I wonder why you wouldn't run into this project, because they are giving you 8%. Seriously, it is the highest project I have seen this year. I don't know if I will see more, but this is one of the highest I have seen. Okay, so before we bake some beans on this channel, if you are new here, this is Crypto Army, and our mission is to educate you on crypto projects and investments. If you want the video to reach a wider range of audience, make sure that you hit the like button and turn on post notification, so that you will be notified anytime I release a video. Now I'll be answering questions like what is baked beans, how does it work, how much can you make, what is this project installed for. Okay, let's say the future of this project. Okay, so that is that. Now I want you guys to understand that I talk about projects that I have personally researched and invested in, and know that these projects, they are high risk projects, and these are not financial advice, and I recommend that you also do your necessary research too before joining this project. Now, baked beans, let's answer the question. The first question is, what is baked beans? Now, baked beans works on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is kind of a mining platform. Now, if you look here, you can see your beans. So this is the amount of beans that I am having. This amount bakes for me every day. So right now it is baking, and when I started this video, I think it was 0.055, and now it's 0.057. So in the course of the day, I initially invested 1 BNB into this account. Because of this video, I just created an account specially for this video, and I invested into this platform just I think 2 days ago, and just look at it, and I have been able to withdraw. Let's go back to my wallet and see how much I've been able to withdraw. Let's go back to my wallet. I have withdrawn $166.59. Can you imagine the number of beans that I have eaten so far? So that is it. If I want to rebake some of these beans, I will just, this is my wallet, I have 0.396 BNB. So if I want to bake some of the beans, I will just put it in here and then bake. So this is how the whole platform is. From my point of view, it is actually legit. I've not seen these online platforms that they will put their BSC scan here, they will put their Telegram page here, they will help you with every questions that you need on the platform, and the Twitter page too is here, and you can contact them, you can ask them questions. And I specifically have a Telegram channel. If you want to join, you can join in the comment section. So this is how it works. This is the whole platform. You will actually deposit some BNB into your wallet. Let's go to my wallet. Now, if you use a Binance account, I have already done videos on how to deposit BNB into your account, so you can check my link in the description and get all this information. Now, you can deposit money. Let's say I recommend that at least just deposit just 1 BNB, and 1 BNB is close to $420 as at now. So you just deposit 1 BNB into your account, then you come to the platform, and you have to make sure that before you get connected to this platform, now I will leave my link in the description. Make sure that you copy this link. This is what is going to lead you to the platform itself. So you have to copy this link. Now when you copy this link, you go to your MetaMask browser, and because I have opened it, I have initially opened it, that is how it's going to be. But the moment you open it, you place it in the search box and you search for it, it will lead you straight to baked beans. Now you see that this place is connect, so you just press connect and you are good to go. Now after connecting, let's say I want to deposit 1 BNB, so you just type 1, because I am not having 1 BNB in my account. So that is how it's going to be. So the moment you press the amount that you want to use on the platform, so let's say 0.024, so I want to attach 0.024, which is approximately, I think, $10. So you just press baked beans, and this amount is going to bake. So what do? I just press confirm, and transaction submitted. That was a clear presentation on how to bake your beans. Okay, you can see that initially I had 18 million beans, and right now it's 20 million plus. Okay, so that was 1 BNB, and I have added, I think, $10 to it. So I'm having like this amount of BNB. Okay, and this amount of BNB, at the end of the day, it is going to give me 8% of what I invested. So I have rebaked, so it is going to give me more. it is going to give me more. So that is how it works. Okay, so this is a clear demonstration of how to bake. So if you are a new user, the moment you deposit your 1 BNB, your 2 BNB, your 10, your 15, your 20, depending on the amount you can deposit, the moment you deposit your BNB, you just press this baked beans thing will be highlighted like I did in the video. Then you press baked beans and it will bake it for you straight away, and you are going to start earning your 8%. After baking your beans, there is another way. You just leave it like in a couple of days. Within the day, you are going to make interest. And one amazing thing is that you have to have, just after doing everything, you see your referral link here. You can use your referral link to refer people, and if you love me so much, you can just share my referral link to your friends and they can use it for the registration. So you copy the referral link, then you send it to your friends and families, and when the moment they register on this platform, you are going to get rewards. So currently I've squandered my rewards. Okay, so one thing is that you don't have to be you don't have to one thing that you have to desist from is that you don't have to be eating your beans disrupting the progress of the platform. No, yesterday was my withdrawal day, and that is when I withdrew from this platform, and I think that I did some today too, and it was just within 24 hours. Okay, so it is considerable. So you make sure that you eat for 6 days. You bake your beans for 6 days, and you eat the beans within how many like in just 1 day. So that is so that your money will compound. This principle works with compound interest, so that your money will be able to compound for you, and you actually get a lot on this platform. You'll be able to accumulate whatever that you want to accumulate on this platform. So that is that. This is just a mining place that your beans is going to give you 8%. I don't know what else you'll be sitting down doing than just dropping 1 BNB into your into your MetaMask wallet, transfer it onto just copy my link into the search box. You search, you come here, you press connect, you are there. Then you just put the amount of BNB that you want to, your 1 BNB, your 2, your even 10, and the amount of returns that you are going to get in the course of the day will be mind blowing. So I will leave all the links in the description. So that is all for this video, and make sure if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Please, I want this video to go viral, so please share to your friends and families. Let them come and join the baked beans tree. Let them come and join the baked beans family. The moment you join, we are going to grow and grow and grow. And one amazing thing is that they've launched a token, and it is actually going to explode. So there is no two ways about baked beans from my own research, but I say that do your own personal research too. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.